So today I will actually not be cleaning my son's bedroom. He heard me say that that is the next video I'll be making, and he ran upstairs and cleaned it so fast I did not have to do it. So here I am cleaning my ensuite bath, my personal bathroom. It is not dirty. It's not hard to clean. It took me about an hour to clean, and that's mostly because my daughter uses my bathroom. She has her personal bathroom, but she doesn't like it. She uses mine. So you find Q-tips and everything everywhere. Again, it didn't take me long to clean. I like to start off just by making a pot of water, hot water, and then I pour all of the solutions that I'll be using. And then you'll see what I use to scrub off the tub in the showers. It's so much easier. People are sleeping on this, but it helps so much because it makes it so much faster and so much cleaner that your tub is shining by the time you're done. So first, this is what I'll do, and I like to use the solution that I use for laundry, like laundry detergent, to clean my bathroom because it leaves that scent in there when you're done. So I don't use regular whatever people use. I don't even know what people use, but I use detergent. That's what I use to scrub the toilet, scrub the bathroom, the tub, and the shower. The solution that I just poured in the shower, it helps me lift up all of the dirt in the grout. I don't know why. The one time that I need to use this spray, there was some left in there, but it would not come out. And it happened to have been both of them. When I tried spraying, nothing came out. I just got tired of it and I just let it go. I ended up using that, poured it into the toilet and kind of just scrubbed it. And then I just used the laundry detergent. I used the pink stuff that I poured in there and a little bit of bleach that I used. I don't like a lot of bleach because I am a hijabi, so I have to wear a full-on dress when I'm doing this, unfortunately. And I don't want it to damage my dress, so I did not use much bleach, but I did use some because I love the smell of bleach. And this is what I'm talking about. These gloves that people use to shower, like exfoliating gloves, I use this to clean my bathrooms. It is so much easier to use because you're pretty much just using your hands and rubbing it everywhere. And your hands, it's easy to get into small crevices, like your finger can get into small crevices and you can just scrub things off. So it is so much easier to use. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this, and let me know if you do decide to try it, how that ended up, if you like it or not. Maybe I'm just weird and I like it, but hey, let me know. Weirdest thing, my cat loves water, loves seeing me using water, loves splashing his little paw in water. However, he hates taking baths, which is so for every time I turn the water faucet on, he just jumps right up on the sink and just kind of sits there and watches me. So you'll see him throughout the video, me putting him down and shooing him away, but that does not keep him away. See how easy it is to use these gloves, especially with this door. I am literally just circling my hand and using my hand in circular motions, and it takes all of the hard scum off of the door. Same thing with the shower floor. I am just scrubbing with my bare hands. Well, not my bare hands, with the gloves, but it is so much easier. Let me know if you guys have cats and if they're anything like mine. My kitty's name is Cairo. He's about 5 months old. I got him from my sister-in-law, whose cat had about 6 babies, and she ended up giving me one. She wanted me to take two, but I don't think I can handle two cats. This one alone drives me crazy. So we are at the end here, almost at the end, I should say. I am just wiping down the mirror, and then after that, I'm going to sweep and mop. And then that's it. I did not bring the rugs back in. I did put them in the laundromat and wash them. I did not bring them back in until the next day. I do have some backup, but I don't like the backups. I like the gray ones. So I do need to find some new gray ones. The other ones that I have are like baby blue or navy blue, and I do not like it at all. I will probably do a sit down video where I go in depth with you guys regarding how we achieve this. I want to say dream home, but again, it's not my dream home yet. So we will go over that. I will also talk to you guys about my job, what I do. I am a reservation supervisor. I believe I mentioned that before. I will go into in depth to talk to you guys about the benefits and if I like it, the hours and things like that. So let me know what you want to see from me. But in the meantime, I will end this video here and hope you guys have a wonderful week. Do not forget to subscribe if you like this type of content. See ya. Bye.